Hi everyone, today we will look at the SAT practice test. It's a digital question, so you can see in the screen my Instagram page name. You can follow me and follow all my stories and posts. It's, I think, good for you, and also my mobile phone number. If you want, you can chat me. So first question, what is the 10% of 470? What you must do? So 470 times 10%, right, in denominator form, 10 over 100, and 0 cancel out, only you write here 47 times 1. Answer is 47. So easy question. Answer is B. So next one is 4x is plus 6 is equal to 18. 4x plus 6 is equal to 18. I must delete here 6. That's why add each side of equal sign negative 6. So positive 6, negative 6, simplify. 4x is equal to 18 minus 6 is 12. X is equal to 3. So only ask us same solution where answer x is equal to 3 in the equation C. The total cost in dollars to rent a surfboard consists of $25 service fee and $10 per hour rental fee. A person rent a surfboard for 3 hours and intends to spend maximum 75 rent to surfboard. So what does it mean? We only ask us inequality. So first one, a man pay $25 and 25 must be right in separate parts, and per hour $10 and 3 hours he rents. That's why 10t I must write 1 hours $10, 10 hours $10. So that's why I write 10t, and maximum $25 he spent. Maximum, yeah, so it means that it can be pay less than 75, and but maximum 75 can be equal 75. That's why answer is D. So question 4. The function g is defined by gx is equal to x squared plus 9, for which value gx is equal to 25. So x squared plus 9 is gx. That's instead of gx, I write that 25. X squared plus 9 is equal to 25. So x squared is equal to negative 25. 9 left side, move on left side. So x squared is equal to 16. X is equal to here positive 4 and negative 4. We see answer only positive 4. That's why A. Question 5. Each face of the fair 14-sided die is labeled with a number of 1 through 14, with a different number appearing each face. If die is rolled 1 time, what's the probability rolling at 2? It means that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and at the ends we can see 14. Ask us what's the probability we can see 2 faces. Only all possible answer is 14. 2 is 1 times, so it means 1 over 14. And question 6. Printer procedures posters at constant rate of the 42 poster per minute. What is the rate in posters per hour does the printer procedure the poster? Okay, 42 posters 1 minute. And ask us what's the rate per hour. So 1 minute and ask us 1 hour, so it means 60 minutes. And I write here x, so x is equal to 42 times 60 is equal to 25, 20, so 2520. And question 7. The function f is defined by the equation f of x is equal to 7x plus 2. What's the value of f of x when x is equal to 4? F of x, so it means that f4 is equal to 7 times 4 plus 2. 28 plus 2 is equal to 30. Okay, next question. Teacher is creating an assignment worth 70 points. The assignment will consist of question worth 1 point and question worth 3 points. Which equation represent this situation where x represent the number of 1 point, so I write x times 1. Y represent 3 points, so it means y times 3. So all of the question with 1 point, x times 1, and all of the 3 point question, y. And I find 70 points question, that's why I sum of them. And answer is 3y, D, option D. Okay. Question 9. Right triangles LMN and PQR are similar, where LMM corresponds to P and Q respectively. Angle A measure 53. What's the measures Q? So I must draw that this right triangles. So you can see here, and L, M, N, P, Q, R. L, M. So I must write like this. L, M, P, Q. K here, P here. So L, M corresponds to L, P, M, Q. Okay, and angle M is equal to 53. I write here 90 degrees, so here is x. 90 degree minus 53 is equal to angle x, angle L. So 7 and 3, 37, here is 37, so it means that L corresponds to P. Write that 37. L and M, LP, MQ, L. So I write here L, P, M, Q. L, M, 53, Q also 53, L. And what's the measure of Q? 53. If ask us L or P, R, I must write 37. And question 10. It's a system of equation. It's y is equal to negative 3x. That's why instead of y I write 4x plus 3x is equal to 15. And here I calculate that x is equal to 15. What's the value of x? Is equal to 15. Question 11. Which of the equation is the most appropriate linear model for data shown in the scatter plot? Look at this graph and my equations. If you see your graph like this, it means this is 2 and 4. It means that your slope must be negative. So option C and D never be real. And which one I must choose, A or B? So this place show your y is equal to x plus b. K is slope, b is your intersection of y coordinate, and you see that it's the positive side. That's why negative side never be real, and answer is B. I hope that you understand each side of the question. It's easy question. So, and graph y is equal to f of x is shown where the function f is defined by f of x, and a, b, c, d are constant. For how many values does f of x is 0? How many values of x? F of x, when f of x is 0, here, 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 and I see that 3 times f of x is equal to 0. So 13. Vivian bought party hats and cupcakes for $71. Each package of party hats costs $3 and each cupcakes cost $1. If Vivian bought 10 packages of party hats, how many cupcakes did she buy? Okay. So hats and cupcakes, that's why I write here H and C. Some of them must be 71, but each package of party hats costs $3. That's why 3 times hats, and each cupcakes $1. That's why cupcakes times 1 is C. And so your equation like this. But if Vivian bought 10 package of party hats, so hats is equal to 10. Instead of hat, I write 10 plus C is equal to 71. So ask us how many cupcakes. 30 plus C is equal to 71. C is equal to 41. Okay, next question. What is the one of the solution to given the equation? Okay, how can you write this question? You can write separating method or with Witt theorem. Okay, I write like Witt theorem. Z1 times Z2 is equal to negative 24. Z1 plus Z2 opposite sign of negative 10. And I think that which numbers multiplying which numbers is negative 24, adding which numbers, answer is negative 10. I think that it is negative 12 and 2. Negative 12 times 2 is negative 24. Negative 12 plus 2 is negative 10. What is one of the solution to given equation? one of the solutions. I only write z is equal to negative 12, z is equal to 2. Right answer like this. Okay. Bacteria are growing in the liquid growth medium. There are 300 cells per milliliter during an initial observation. The number of cells per milliliters doubles every 3 hours. Doubles every 3 hours. How many cells per milliliter will there be 15 hours after the initial observation? Yes, initial observation. What does it mean, initial observation? We write k x over m. I can write like this. So what does it mean? Here k is initial observation. I write y is equal to 300 million times, and double every doubles. If say doubles, I write instead of x 2 power doubles every 3 hours, and okay, m divided n. 3 doubles 3 every 3 hours, and ask us how many cells per milliliter will there 15 hours after the initial observation. So it means 15 over 3. Let's calculate 300 mean 2 over 5. 2 over 5 32. 32 times 3 is 96. So answer is 96 and 50. 9650. Answer is D. Okay, and which expression is equivalent to like this? Which expression? Okay, I back 6 and 12. I take both number here 6. X over 8, x over 2. Of course, I must take x over 2, small number, small power. And y over 2, I must take, so y over 2. Okay, first parts I take x 6 and y to power 2, and I can say only x over 8, x over 2 have here. That's why I write x over 6, because multiplying them your powers must be add, and plus only x power 2, y power 2, and I see that 12. 6 times 2 give us 12. So what's the answer? C. Okay, neighborhood consists of 2-hectare park and 35-hectare residential area. The total number of trees in neighborhood is 3,934. This equation represents a situation in which of the following the best interpretation of x in this context. So what does it mean? 2-hectare park and 25-hectare residential area, and 2x show that 2 times all park area, and 1 residential area is 25. Y is number of residential area. Here x is number of park, and 2 total no, okay, number of trees in the park, number of trees in the residential area. The equation like this: which of the following best interpretation of x in this context? The average number of trees, yes, per hectare in this park. Average number of trees per hectare in the residential area, not. X show that park only, because 2 park. And total number, not. Residential, not. Only average number of trees per hectare in the park. The answer is A. Okay. So 18, the graph showed the relationship between the number of shares of stock from company A, X, and the number of shares stock from company B, Y, and someone can purchase. Which equation could represent relationship? So guys, you can see that 60 and 40. Okay, and some of them, which number? Okay, first one, I find slope. Slope is 4, negative 4 divided 6. Why negative? Because it's look like 2 and 4. It's look like this. And here is m is equal to negative 3, negative 2 over 3. Okay, which equation I must have find? And okay, 4 times 60, 4x plus 60 y is equal to 40 times 60, 2040, 400. So I simplified this equation. Every side I divide 20, and 2x plus 3y is equal to like this. And I only see like this answer. So if every side I multiple by 4, 8x, 11, 12y, and 408. So answer is B. When I multiple by 4, I get like this answer. So question 19. Circle A has a radius of 3n and circle B has a radius 129n. Where n is positive constant, the area of the circle B is how many times of the circle A? Okay, area of circle B, how many times area of A? Area of B divided area of A. So area of radius of A, radius of B, and area A is equal to P r square. It's the area of circle, but I must write here r1 rb square divided p cancel out to simplify ra square, and rb n square and 3n square. So it means 129 n square and 9 n square. N square cancel out, and it's also 129 square. I write like this: 3 times 3 if I can't divide it. So this number is give us 41, 43. This number give us 43. 43 times 43 is 1849. So the frequency table, look at here, is 57 data values in data set. What's the maximum data value in the data set? Okay, it looks like frequency question, and frequency question, what is the maximum value of data set? Frequency, look at this frequency. What is the maximum data value? Data value here, what's maximum is 14. I think you understand very well. Okay, a circle xy plane has a diameter with end of points 2, 4 and 2, 14. In equation of the circle like this, where r is positive constant, what's the value of r? So what does it mean? You have circle here, and no, it's 2, it's not, it is 2, 4. Okay, 1 minute. It's this point is 2, 4. This point is 2, 14. Not. Wait 1 minute. 1 minute, please. Okay. 2, 4 here. 214, no, 214 here, and your circle like this, a little bit, okay. It's 2, 4 and 214. Okay, and circle, midpoint of circle 2 and 9. So here 2 and 9. What is the r? Okay, it's midpoint. That's why you look at here. You must this one and this side is show that radius are equal. So which one you choose, it doesn't change. Okay, if you want to find radius, you write here like this. 2 minus 2 minus 2 square plus 4 minus 5 square, 9 square. It's equal to 5 square, 25, and 25 is equal to 5. 5. Radius is equal to 5. Okay. The measure of angle R is 2 pi over 3 radians. The measure of angle T is 5 pi over 12 radians, greater than measure of the angle R. Okay, what is the measure of angle T? R, T is 5p over 20 greater than R. So T is equal to angle R plus 5 pi over 12. Okay, it's times 4, T is equal to 8 plus 5, 13 pi over 12. What's the measure of angle T? And if I want to find tangent T, you can see it's don't write like radians. That's why instead of P I write 180 degree. 80 degree. So cancel out. It's 45 and 30, not 45. 1 minute. Okay, let's simplify. Divided 6, 3 divided 6 to 15. 15 times 13 is equal to this one. Okay, question 23. A certain town has an area of 4.33 square miles. What's the area of square yards of this town? Okay, guys, I write here mile and yards. 4.36 miles. Yes, square miles, square. And 1 mile, I know that 1 mile, 1,760 yard. And 4.36 miles, how many yard? And you see that here's only yards, don't have square. That's why I write all sides of the miles and square sign. And you can use calculator, so you get this answer. And question 24, use X and Y table here, and what's ask us, for line H the table show 3 values of X and their corresponding values, while the line K is the result of the translating line H down 5 minutes and XY plane. What's the X intercept of K? Okay, the line K is the result of translating line A down 5 units. 5 units down. So, new table I write here. What show new table us? And X same, X 18, X 18, so 5 units down. It means that I must take 5. Answer is 125. So 33 is less than 5, 55. 26 right here, and it's 173. So if I want to find slope M is equal to, for example, I take this to 1, no, y minus y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. Okay, and I write here 155 minus 125, 23 minus 18. So it gives us 5 here and 6. It gives us 6. Okay, and it's our slope. Y is equal to 6x plus b. What is b? And instead of this one or this one, it doesn't matter. You write here y is equal to 125 6 times x. Instead of x, I write here 18 plus b. And calculate this one. You can find b is 17. So b is 17. Okay, my equation y is equal to 6x plus 17. And what is x-intercept? What does it mean, x-intercept? X-intercept, it means y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0. Okay, y is equal to 0. 6x plus 17. 6 is equal to negative 17. X is equal to negative 17 divided 6. So answer is D. Okay, question 25. In the xy plane, the graph of equation like this intersection intersects line y is equal to c at exactly 1 point. What's the value of c? If you want to find this question answer, you must equalize y1 is equal to y2, this one and is this one, because they intersect. So negative x squared plus 9x negative 100 is equal to c. C is any constant, that's why I write x squared negative 9x plus 100 plus c. So here a is equal to 1, b is equal to negative 9, c is equal to negative 100 plus c. And you write here is equal to 0. That's why exactly 1 point say that. So your discriminant is equal to 0. What does it mean? B squared minus 4ac is equal to 0. B is 9. Negative 9 squared is 81 minus 4 times 1 minus c. Instead of c, I write 1000 plus c is equal to 0. 81 minus 400 plus minus 4c is equal to 0. So 9, 1, 3 is equal to 4c. C is equal to negative 1, 4. Okay, answer is C. And last question, for each real number r, which of the following points lies on the graph of each equation in the xy plane? So only I must write like this question. So if you look at here and look at this one, you see that it's 5 times this number. Yes, 5 times 2 10x, 5 times 3y 15y, and 5 times 7 is 23. And you can see that you write mini solution here. That's why you can check all of the answer in this equation, 2 equation. So I only check answer C here. So what does it mean? No, only B. Answer is B. That's why only I check B. If you want, you can check other options. So here x is equal to negative 3r over 2 plus 7 divided 4, and y is equal to r. Instead of x and y, I write here this equations. So 2 times negative 3r divided 2 and plus 7 divided 2 plus 3y, so 3r is equal to 7. And so 2 times this number to simplify, negative 3r plus 7 plus 3r is equal to 7, and 7 is equal to 7. So your answer is right. And you can check this equation, it's also right. that's why don't need. And also I give brief information. A and C never be right answer because of your denominator is 3 and 5. You can check D and B. So which one is right? The B. So the perimeter of equilateral triangle is 624 centimeters. The height of this triangle is k times. Okay. In equilateral triangle, perimeter is 3a, and perimeter is 624 is equal to 3a. A here is 208. So height of triangle, it's a formal. Height is equal to a times square root of 3 divided 4. So a here 208. 208 times square root of 3 divided 2. It's equal to, height give us k times square root of 3. Square root of 3 cancel out. So k is equal to 208 divided by 2 is 104. So k is 104. So we finished all of the questions, and next section I will wait you and like my video and join my channel. Goodbye.